Viewers, Walter's out in the cow pasture today, and he might have done stepped in something warm and squishy. That's the title of today's video, or some such. Anyway, Walter's been learning to play around with AI. Are you ready for this?
I bet Pwalpar is making a video of this.
Good day, viewers. Walter here. I might be done. Well, how should I put this? I'm a country boy. You ever been out walking around in the cow pasture and step in something kind of warm and squishy, and you don't know whether you want to look before you wipe it off, or if you can even get it wiped off? What am I talking about? I'm talking about I've been playing around with AI. You got to know a little bit about AI. I can't even say it right. You got to know a little bit about AI. Playing with it here is kind of like stepping in something warm and squishy. Maybe you shouldn't have been messing around out there in the pasture to start with. Anyway, what I've been doing is signing up for a Google Gemini and two or three different things here in relation to learning this AI business. Well, I created a couple of, well, let's see, where should I take you first? Let's go to downloads. There you go. Here's a picture I created. Thought I would, you have no real control over it. You just tell it what you want it to do. I wanted to use Gene Gnome's actual photograph, but this is working out pretty good. I'm just going to call this little gnome Gene. He's kind of partial to looking different ways anyway. But in this scene, I was going to add this into some of my videos, and I played with it quite a bit today. And that would be kind of cool to put a little sound to, make it into a video. Let's look at the next one. Here's another. I don't think I copied the whole picture there. Anyway, there's another one. Here's one I created today. I'm definitely going to use that one at the end of some of my videos. I already showed you that one. Well, I got it up there twice. I'm going to have to delete that booger bear. Here's three that I just got through creating. Let me go back to this page here, and I'll come back to these three right here. How many of my viewers out there have got involved in this AI business? If you do, you'll feel like you stepped in something. That ain't what I want to show you. Here it is. This is where I was thinking when I created these three cartoon type videos, and I wasn't smart enough to know that AI, first of all, AI creation doesn't really create exactly what you wanted. It kind of stumbles into close to what you wanted. I wanted Gene Gnome standing by the tracks, watching a train go by and saying verbally, I'll bet Pwalpar is making a video of this. Well, it never occurred to me that you got to separate Pwalpar into two different words so the computer will know how to speak it. I should have said P-E-A, P, and then Pwalpar separately. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Here's the first one. This is in standard 720 version.
I will bet Pwalpar is making a video of this.
So they left out the P and just said Pwalpar. Then I made this one.
I bet Pwalpar is making a video of this.
And let me stop that. This one's kind of cute right here. That was supposed to be a
I
trailer.
will bet Pwalpar is making a video of this. I will bet Pwalpar is making a video of this.
That noise he just made, the computer thinks that's the way a
Pwalpar
train whistle
is making a video
sound.
of this.
Anyway, I stepped in something for a show right here. Now let's go back to downloads. And I upgraded to 1080p. And I assure you, I haven't even looked at it myself yet. But I think I've got all three of them downloaded here. And let's see what they look like. If they're even any better than the 720p.
I bet Pwalpar is making a video of this.
Yeah, it looks good in full screen. I like that quality. That's pretty good. Let's play that one again.
I bet Pwalpar is making a video of this.
I like that. We're definitely going to use that in some videos, and we'll stick it on the end of a Railfan video or something. Here's the next one.
I will bet Pwalpar is making a video of this.
I can dub in a real train horn right there if I want to. And here's the third one.
I bet Pwalpar is making a video of this.
I don't know if many of you people use Windows, but just the way that it shades out the bottom of my picture on the video player on your computer, I don't like that. They need a player that will show the whole screen. When I produce this on YouTube, you won't see this bar down here with all the volume controls and arrows and crud. But that quality of that picture is awesome. Anyway, viewers, what do you think of my little experiment? Did I step in something, or do I need to wipe both my feet off? Y'all come on around and make a comment. I'd be greatly appreciating it. And let's get busy and produce just a couple little videos here playing with this AI. Y'all have a good day. Pwalpar gonna go take care of business.